me not go a bush when in my yard. So I adorn myself to meet the ones them.
You can share with me your personal journey and how you started up Rastafari as an empress.
When you say blessed or not, I thought I used to go to church. I used to go to Babylon church. Pentecostal. You clap your hand and praise Jesus. So you have the same king man. He was in the village preaching about Rastafari. That is Bongo Jack. So a lot of want to be gathered up by his house in sequence like different groups and so forth. For talking about Rastafari. So I used to go to church. So he used to come by the window every night and we'd stand in there and wait until the church all over. So he will listen to what the pastor have to say. Then he will take it from there and tell me more understanding of reading the same King James. You know? So that's where we get more understanding because my wish is to find the fullness life over death. Yes, I mean? Life over death. Yeah, and that's my seeking and I did find life over death. Because when you say Rastafari and heal unto the King, he's supposed to supply you with life because he said he gave unto us life that you may live it more abundantly. But the ways of sin is death. So all our doings, we must eliminate ourselves from that ways of sin. But cause sickness and death. Yeah. And make you wither way.
Dry up.
And you dry up. And you don't take no herb medicine. You don't eat nothing good. Yeah.
So what period of time it take you to learn all of this to start this one?
You see, from 1977, I thought I said Rastafari, I call unto this video. And I asked Rastafari if he open up my place in the earth. Me can't sing, me can't draw, me can't knit. Yeah, you know? So, I asked the Most High to give me something that I can be, you know, prudent within myself, feel good and complete within myself. So, he opened up this room of earth through my King man.